Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to fix Discord, which does not open and does not work on iPhone or iPad. If you have any problems or there are errors in the failure of the Discord application, then I will show you how to solve it. If you still have any questions, write in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. The first way that you need to do is to click the Discord Remove app and delete this app. Then go to the Apple Store to find Discord and re-download it. The second way is to go to the Apple Store and try to update the Discord app itself. That is, do not remove it, but first update it. The next way we put the curtain down, we have this airplane. Click on it and put the flight mode for 15 to 20 seconds. As soon as this time has passed, we turn on the airplane, turn on Wi-Fi, and try to enter Discord. And perhaps this method will help us. If not, then the last way is to go to Settings, open the General tab, open iPhone storage, and now we have this download. Now we have to download all our applications and games that are on our iPhone or iPad. As you can see, I have 240 gigabytes of storage out of 256. Let's try to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on. Maybe the iPhone storage will load faster. And now I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord that won't open and won't work with this iPhone storage. Go here. Scroll down to the bottom. Find Discord, go in. And then we don't delete the app, we unload it. So we've deleted the cache. We clear the data and the memory. But don't worry, all your correspondence, photos, chats will remain. So just reboot, clear Discord. Re-download it. And after that, this method should help us and everything should work. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I will answer them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you later.